Hi, some tips today for daily marketing. Hi, I'm Lay with LayShidell.com. Sorry to give you a little extra bonus picture there. Switched to the wrong screen. Today I'm here to bring you training. We're going to continue a little bit with headers or cover pages, and today I'm going to cover for Twitter and for YouTube. So what I have is the information about a Twitter header as of 2017 is that they recommend 1500 by 500 pixels. So what I did is I created one and I played with it a little bit today. And I found actually that 1500 by 427 pixels was a more ideal example. And I'm going to switch screens here. And this is a 1500 by 421 pixel cover that I have created for Twitter. And so after I created that exact dimension, I went over to Twitter. So I'm going to show you that. And that is this. After Twitter crops it and puts it in the space, and obviously it's way enlarged on a PC, that is that same cover right there. And so it was really quite easy. And in Canva, for those of you who are using it, if you're familiar with Canva, there's an opportunity to select a custom dimension up here in the top right hand corner, and you just click that. And when you click on that, you're able to select the actual pixel dimensions that you want. It's width by height. So I just wanted to show you that quickly. Then for YouTube, what I have is they call theirs not a cover page or a banner or a header. They call theirs channel art. I don't know where they got that idea. So what I did for YouTube, was created first a background that was the size of this larger purple rectangle here. And this size is 2,560 pixels by 1,440 pixels. Okay, that's the purple one. Okay, what that one shows for is a TV type of view. And I don't know how many different apparatuses other than a TV itself actually show this full screen mode. So that's not what's important. What's important was I then created a second banner. That second banner is this centerpiece. This center banner is 1,540 pixels wide by 427 pixels tall. And so I created that over here, and this is that banner. Channel art, as they want to call it on YouTube. I'm not sure why they following a different pattern than everybody else. They just want to be different. That's good too. So after I created that, what I did is I went into Canva, and on that background, that purple background, on that larger size that I've indicated, I just imported the file by doing an upload, and I uploaded, and you'll see right here is that file. And then I just clicked on it and put it in the very center of this purple background. And so it already is the right size, and then I downloaded it. Now, if I go over to YouTube, you will see this is that background or that cover after they have cropped it. This is how YouTube crops your image after you load it. So the second thing that I was going to show you on these, though, is there's really a reason for making these specific sizes and the way I have laid them out and spaced them. Like on Twitter, you'll notice that I have a big gap here. Great big gap, empty space here. And there's a purpose for that, because I'm going to take you over and show you a view. It's going to take me just a moment here. Something's not hooked up. I need to switch here a second. Okay. So I just need to allow something here to take place. What's going to happen is my phone is going to load up here, and you'll be able to see that here on the left-hand side of the screen. And I'm going to take the phone into Twitter. And there's the Twitter account. And what I want you to notice here, though, specifically is that large blank space that we have laid out in Canva here, which goes about a third, a little more than a third of the entire height from the bottom up. We have an ad here, so I need to move on beyond the ad. And that's not working. Give me a moment here. There we go. Okay, now we're back. Okay, so what you can see here on the phone layout is that the profile image that you have for your account cuts into that space, and that's why we've left that space that's here on the Canva background. And so that's what you get from a Twitter one. And then I'm going to show you on the phone. I'm going to go out of the Twitter one here, and I'm going to show you from the YouTube account. So there was a purpose for making that YouTube background in such the way we did there. And so let me take you quickly over to, okay, so this is the one that we actually created. This is what it looks like from a PC view of that large image. This is how YouTube crops it for us. And this, from the phone, this is my phone here that you're viewing. This is the information, and I actually see that I probably want to make a change here to my header because I did something that I didn't realize I had done. Note on here that my logo's here on the left-hand side. Now that works when it's YouTube because this is the YouTube view. But what happens is when you're in the phone view, we have the space we need for the name to pop up in that blank space. But the profile picture is going to sit here. I can't move it because it's set there. So what I'm going to have to move is the logo. So I'll make a change in Canva and I'll move this logo over here, and I'll probably move the text with it along this way, over this way. And then that will fill the space proper. Then I might shift the name a little bit to create a little balance there. But you'll see this is the reason why you want to go ahead and take a look at both views, because I hadn't realized what I had done by creating my header in this fashion, what I had done to it for the phone view. So it was real good for us to look at it. It was good for you to see it with a mistake on it, because then you can see why I would want to make a change and alter this original one to flow so that this logo here resides maybe over on this side, so that when we get to this view and this picture is, this profile photo shows up right here, the logo will be sitting over here. So I hope you found some value to this, and I look forward to bringing you some more trainings in the future. Thank you for spending your time with me. I know you could be anywhere you chose to be, and I appreciate you spending your time with me. Thanks a lot. You have a great one.